Complete Canine 3D Anatomy is an advanced Android application designed for veterinarians, veterinary students, and dog enthusiasts interested in understanding canine anatomy in a detailed and interactive manner. This app provides users with a comprehensive 3D model of a dog's body, allowing them to explore anatomical structures in a visually engaging format. With the app, users can examine various systems, including the skeletal, muscular, and organ systems, offering insights into how these components work together. The interactive nature of the 3D models allows for rotation, zooming, and highlighting specific parts, enhancing the learning experience. Complete Canine 3D Anatomy may also include informative descriptions and labels for different anatomical features, making it a valuable educational tool. Whether for academic purposes or personal interest, this app serves as a reliable resource for anyone looking to gain a deeper understanding of canine anatomy and physiology on Android devices.